Today we're unboxing a pair of SRD wheelie bars. So SRD is the company that built or helped Bill build a bunch of parts for the Jenkins Camaro, his 70.5 Gen 2 Camaro. So these are really well packaged. Ton of paper, right? Lots of bubble wrap. So they got here safe from a long way away, all the way out to California. So let's start with this very long piece. It's lightweight, feels like it's chromoly. It's wrapped nicely. It is, okay. So it's a tube with a welded in bung. Welded in bung right there. It's probably going to take a heim there. And then we're probably going to weld another heim in. Or we're probably going to weld another bung there. I would imagine this goes to the rear end. This goes to the back of the wheelie bar. You know, and then the bar goes up vertical and it's triangulated that way. There's a bag of leaf springs. They're not leaf springs, I'm sorry. There's a bag of coil springs, and I believe these go up inside the wheelie bar in the vertical upright. So let's take a look here. Okay, so a set of looks to be small block Chevy single valve spring with a dampener, like a Z28 spring. And so we got a retainer there and retainer there, and you know, this stack rides inside of the wheelie bar upright. So let's see if I can find one of those in here. Oh my god, this stuff's heavy even though it's made out of moly, and the wheel feels giant. So it's really well wrapped. Looks like, so these were done by Wayne Smith, and he's who you get in touch with if you're looking at SRD stuff. They've got a website. Welds are really nice. Kind of hard to see in this light, but let me see if I can get an angle on you. There you go. So we got another pit pin there. So see how they slide like that? The springs go up inside there, because you know they had a little compression action. A little different than today's. So it's a nice TIG weld down there on the aluminum, Nice TIG weld down there on the joint. Yeah, it's a clean fit. Everything's gun blued. I don't know if that's special that Wayne just did for me, or if it's an option or what. But wow, yeah, the fitment, the welds, really nice. Everything's really super clean. Nice little, like, almost like a hood pin, right? So these are made true to the original style, right? So we'll probably have a crossbar in here somewhere, and the front hardware. Here's the front hardware. So this would be what goes to the rear end housing, right? This mounts on the housing. There's the bung. There's the weld-in bung, right? That's going to go on, then I'm going to TIG into this tube right here, like that. This will go to the front. Whoops. That will go to the front housing right there. The other end here, we'll get a heim joint, right? We'll get a heim joint here. It'll go inside of this. Sorry. Not working out so well today on the old display. So it'll kind of go like this, right? With a heim joint in there. So that end out there will go to the rear end. This end right here goes to this pit pin. The top right here goes up underneath the rear bumper area. And then it's a vertical wheelie bar. Stands straight up and down, and then it's got a little compression to it when it hits. So, kind of cool. I don't know if anything else is in the box here. There's probably, yeah, we've got this bar, also well wrapped, right here. threaded tube bar. This goes between the wheelie bar wheel axles. So it screws on the axle right there. And that's what keeps them, you know, equidistant, or it keeps the distance set. So all in all, a great piece. I'm really happy with them. Well worth the little bit of time that you're going to have to wait for them. Wayne does awesome work. So guys are, you know, next step. So moves on from here. These go off to Willie, and stay tuned, you know, subscribe, do all the cool stuff, and we'll be working on the car soon.